Thor, the god of thunder. Who is Thor? Thor's Anglo-Saxon name is Thunor. He is the god of thunder and lightning. He is the son of Odin, also known as Woden, the All-Father, and Jord, the living personification of the earth. Thunor is Old English for thunder. Thursday originates from Thor's Day, named in honor of Thor, the god of thunder. Thor's sacred animal are goats. His chariot is pulled by goats. The name of his goats were Tangnista and Tangrosta. His sacred plant was an oak tree. His sacred weapon was the hammer Mjolnir. Mjolnir is Thor's hammer. It summons lightning and makes Thor's lightning more powerful. It is used both as a devastating weapon and as a divine instrument to provide blessings. Hammer-shaped amulets have been found in Anglo-Saxon graves. Here is an example of Thor and Mjolnir's epicness. What makes Thor so popular? Thor has the most stories. His stories have exciting comedic violence and happy endings. Thor is regarded to be the most fun of all the gods. Thank you. Bye.